Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I am Riya Sharma, and in this video we are gonna discuss about the main problem what we all suffer by this problem. So we are gonna discuss about it. Before discussing the problem, I just wanna show you the greenery over here. I came to my granny's house. I came to my granny's house and it's very eye-blowing right now. If you can see the paddy fields, okay, the paddy has grown up, and now after some days everybody will cut their paddy or eradicate it. Okay, so let's discuss about the problem what we all face while speaking in this language, in English. So many times people tell me like I just forget words. Words don't come in my mind when I speak English. So what to do for that? Okay, how we can manage this situation when you speak English and things, word, sentence doesn't come in your mind. So what to do here? So I just wanna share the things from you, that what I used to do and what I quite often do while making my video or while talking with anybody. I also forget words. Okay, I also forget words, and that time I just replace that word. Okay, I just substitute that word, that specific word, with any other words, and that is how I speak in English. Like I complete my sentence, my paragraph, whatever it is. That is how I complete my sentence and all. So I just want to tell you, whenever you forget your word, whenever you forget anything, just try to substitute that word, that sentence, by any other word or any other sentence. That is how you will not get stuck while speaking in English. Yeah, I can understand that initially it will be problematic for all of you, that you will not get words. Okay, but it's fine. Just try to tell that sentence, that word, by modifying it. Okay, suppose if I want to tell you that this dress is looking deplorable on you. Deplorable means not looking good. So how would I say if I am not getting word deplorable? So I would say that this dress is not looking good on you. Okay, instead of using deplorable, this specific word, I would use this not looking good, this sentence. Okay, instead of using the word deplorable if I'm not getting right now. Okay, and if I wanna say to you that the door is ajar, that means the meaning of ajar is it's slightly open, something slightly open. Okay, so if I'm not getting the word ajar, so instead of using ajar, what I would use that the door is slightly open, door थोड़ा सा खुला हुआ है. That is how I substitute word or sentence and complete my sentence. I hope you are able to understand what I want to tell you. Okay, and please practice more. Okay, if you want to be very good in English, if you want to be fluent in English, you have to practice more and more. Maybe if you won't practice, maybe these words will not come in your mind ever. Even small words, basic English, will not come in your mind while speaking. So please speak more and more, and you will definitely get result. You will definitely speak very well English. I'm also from that background where nobody speaks English, so I also sometimes speak wrong. So I hope you got some value from this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.